Gardening is a lot like experimenting in a lab, only with dirt and sunlight. Last season, I made a bold choice. I planted what I now call my Forever Mulch seeds. No compost, no weekly feeding, no fuss, just seeds and soil. The results were so surprising that I had to document every moment for fellow gardeners. This isn't hype, it's the kind of transformation that makes you rethink everything you thought you knew about soil care. Why Forever Mulch? Change the game. Most gardeners spend countless hours composting. Scraps go in, patience goes out, and you wait weeks or months for anything usable. I decided to challenge that routine. The idea behind these seeds is simple, yet revolutionary. They grow into plants that feed the soil naturally, acting as a living mulch. They retain moisture, suppress weeds, and generate organic matter continuously without requiring human intervention. Essentially, these plants compost for you. From the first week, the soil felt different. It wasn't just the visual change, but a subtle richness under my fingers. Normally, I'd dig a spade and hit dry, compacted soil, but here, it was soft, crumbly, and teeming with life. The roots of these plants were acting like tiny engineers, pulling nutrients up from deeper layers and feeding the microbes below. It's a cycle that just works. Planting and caring for Forever Mulch. Setting up the garden for these seeds is straightforward. I cleared a section of my yard and lightly loosened the soil. Then I sowed the seeds directly, about ½ an inch deep, spacing them comfortably so each plant had room to expand. Watering is minimal, but important in the first couple of weeks. For germination, I used a simple ratio, 1 liter of water for every 100 grams of seeds, sprinkled evenly over the soil. After that, the plants managed themselves remarkably well. Unlike traditional gardens where constant attention is required, this method thrives on patience and observation. The plants form a dense, interwoven mat, shading the soil and reducing evaporation. That living mulch traps fallen leaves and debris, which slowly break down, enriching the soil without my touch. It's like having a miniature ecosystem at work in your backyard. Within a month, I noticed dramatic changes. Soil structure improved noticeably. Where I once had patches of dry, cracked dirt, I now had soil that held moisture like a sponge. Earthworms and beneficial insects appeared almost immediately. These critters are nature's composters, and their presence meant that my garden had become a self-sustaining environment. The nutrient cycle became almost automatic. Fallen leaves and plant matter decomposed directly where they fell, feeding the roots and microbes below. Normally, this would take careful composting or mulching by hand, but here, the plants were doing all the work. I stopped worrying about nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium levels. The soil provided naturally balanced nutrition as long as the mulch cover remained healthy and dense. One of the biggest surprises was, honestly, weed suppression. In past seasons I'd spend hours fighting invasive plants, but this year, with the living mulch covering every inch, weeds really struggled to compete for light and nutrients. The few that did emerge were super easy to remove because the soil stayed loose and easy to work with. By acting as a natural barrier, the Forever Mulch seeds created a garden that practically manages itself. These plants are, remarkably drought-tolerant once established. I continued to water lightly during dry spells, but it was nothing like the heavy, frequent watering required for traditional gardens. The dense canopy of leaves reduces evaporation, while the organic matter they generate holds moisture in the soil. Over time, I realized my garden required about half the water it used to, saving both time and resources. Another key insight was, observing soil microbial activity. When the mulch layer thickened, the soil below smelled earthy and rich. That's an indicator of microbial health. Microbes are breaking down organic matter, cycling nutrients, and just keeping the soil alive. No fertilizer, no compost, just the seeds doing their thing. Beyond soil improvement, these plants brought unexpected perks. My vegetables, planted among the living mulch, grew faster and stronger. Fruits and leaves were more vibrant, less prone to disease, and honestly, surprisingly flavorful. I suspect it's the combination of consistent moisture, nutrient cycling, and enhanced microbial life that gave them this boost. Even small seedlings benefited from the microclimate created by the mulch. temperature swings were less severe, and the soil never dried out completely. For a gardener, seeing seedlings thrive without constant attention feels like cheating, but it's really just smart ecological engineering. By the end of the season, I realized I had made a permanent change to my approach. No more compost piles, no more manual mulching, no more worrying about soil degradation. The Forever Mulch seeds created a garden that sustains itself. Of course, every garden is different, and soil types, climate, and plant choices matter. But for me, the experiment proved that gardens can be designed to work with nature, not against it. There's also a psychological effect. Seeing a garden that maintains itself really reduces stress and increases enjoyment. I find myself spending more time just observing, learning, and harvesting rather than, constantly chasing chores. For any gardener looking to simplify life while improving soil health, this approach is honestly transformative. So, here are some lessons learned and tips. Consistency is key in those early weeks. Make sure to water lightly and ensure the seeds have good contact with the soil. Try to avoid disturbing the soil too much once the plants are established. Their root networks are delicate, but absolutely essential for building soil structure. Remember to watch the soil, not just the plants. Healthy soil is really the foundation. If the soil is dark, crumbly, and has a rich smell, the ecosystem is thriving. Try to resist the urge to intervene too much. These plants are honestly doing the heavy lifting for you. Finally, patience is everything. Change happens gradually and, the more you let nature take the lead, the better your garden will become. Within weeks, you'll notice differences, but the true magic unfolds over months and seasons. So, what happened when I stopped composting? My soil transformed, my garden became self-sustaining, my vegetables thrived, and I realized that nature, when guided thoughtfully, can do more work than any gardener could hope to manage manually. The Forever Mulch seeds didn't just simplify my garden, they reshaped how I view gardening altogether. For anyone curious about reducing workload while improving soil and plant health, this approach is definitely worth trying. It's not just a time saver, it's a soil saver. Over time, you'll cultivate a living system that feeds itself, reduces waste, and produces healthier plants with minimal effort. If you found these insights helpful, actionable, and inspiring, make sure to subscribe to Soil Sage Chronicles and share this with fellow gardeners. Let's grow smarter gardens together, turning soil into the richest, most vibrant canvas we've ever seen.